Is Meta about to lose Instagram and WhatsApp? A massive antitrust trial just kicked off in Washington, accusing the tech giant of illegally buying its way to power. The FTC wants to break Meta apart, and it's trending big. Want to know what's at stake for Mark Zuckerberg? Stick around, this could change social media forever. What's up, tech fam? Welcome back to GadInsider. Meta is facing a historic fight in a Washington federal court. The U.S. Federal Trade Commission is gunning for the company, saying its Instagram and WhatsApp buyouts were dirty moves to crush competition. This trial's got everyone talking, from X to newsrooms. So let's dive into why Meta's future is on the line. So, what's going on? The FTC's accusing Meta of illegally snapping up Instagram for $1 billion in 2012 and WhatsApp for $22 billion in 2014 to squash rivals before they could grow. Back then, the FTC greenlit both deals, but now they're crying foul, saying Meta's dominance killed off competition and hurt users. The lawsuit, first filed in 2020 when Meta was still Facebook, claims that Zuckerberg's empire used these bites to cement a social media monopoly. It got tossed out in 2021 for weak evidence, but Judge James Boasberg revived it, and now the FTC wants Meta to divest, aka sell off, Instagram and WhatsApp. That's a seismic move. This trial's just starting, but with appeals likely, it could drag for years. Why is this blowing up? Meta's got 4 billion monthly users across its apps. Instagram's at 2.5 billion. WhatsApp's nearing 3 billion. Splitting them up could reshape how we connect online. X users are divided. Some cheer the FTC, saying Meta's too powerful, while others call it a government overreach, pointing to Trump's pro-business vibes as Zuckerberg's hoped for shield. The FTC argues Meta snuffed out threats like Vine or early Snapchat, but Meta's fighting back, saying Instagram and WhatsApp grew because of their cash and tech, not dirty tricks. If the FTC wins, it would be the biggest tech breakup since AT&T in the 80s. This isn't just about Meta, it's about who controls your digital life. No wonder everyone's glued to this drama. Alright, let's hear you. If Meta loses, would you keep using Instagram and WhatsApp as standalone apps? Or do you think Zuckerberg should keep his empire intact? Maybe you're just tired of the big tech running the show? Drop your hot take in the comments.